So here is my order. So I bought this brush and I have with it problems. So and hurt you. So we need to prove AliExpress that we cannot use this item and we want to get refund. Okay, so how to do it? So here is we have description. So we review and we can see how it should look like and what I see. So what I see. So this fixator doesn't have hole, which has that one which I received. So you can see I make snippet. So stop, back. So I saved this page description and read snippet. So and what I do, I copy it to Paint, paste it. So and I want to highlight. So they don't have hole, which my has. So I saved it as should be. Should be. Okay. Desktop. Save. So here is a picture which I make with my phone. So you can see that it has hole. This is fixator has hole, and this arrow can hurt me. So what I do, I create image, select this and copy, paste, make it smaller. Okay, and also I create selection. So and I also add line. Okay, so you can see, and we save it as actually. Okay, let's save that picture. So I downloaded the video. Always record unpacking or your items when you receive. So I export. So I call it, make it smaller because size is limited for refund request. So I get that video. So here is how video looks like. So you need to show track number, your signature. I closed it with square because this is personal data, but you should get it visible to show seller that this is his item. So that's important note. And you show what's the problem with item. So I show that it has problem. So you can see. Yes, you can see. defect is visible. When we have video pictures, so now we can try to refund. So here is order, so we get package received, reason, items item defective or doesn't work. So application tab, refund only, full amount, okay, refund method. So here you need to select, this is for bonus, but I want to return to my cart. So next you need to upload video, pictures, and describe problem. So let's download video, unpack. So you can see it's limited. Images up to 20 megabytes, video up to 500 megabytes. So let's add images. So it's desktop, should be and actually so yes, I show it, and of course we need to provide text with description. Also I add description. So here is description. The beige brush might be dangerous because it has a sharp arrow shaped part that is not fully covered, as the fastener itself has a hole. Because of this, the sharp tip remains exposed and can easily pick or scratch the skin if handled carelessly. So please send me a working one or refund my money. If you want item back, you must pay. You must pay for the return shipping. Create a prepaid shipment. So and address to your pickup location. So this is my, and then I press submit. Okay, and then seller has time to answer, and we should get resolution. Unfortunately, I spent more money because I spent shipping. So pay attention when you buy something. See if item is shipping. If it's free shipping, then you return money. Example of defect description I add in below video. There's a video. So here are orders and requested, processing, and completed. So there's information, request complete, refund only, approved, refund, and methods. So your refund, you will receive refund 110 business days. So we will see it there, refund full price or only for item money. So they refund me all money.